Hey everybody, how you doing? My name is Joy. Welcome to my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. And I know it's kind of late, but better late than never. I have my icon box, and the curator for this month is none other than Miss Pat McGrath for the November icon box. So if you want to see what I got, who cares what I got? Pat McGrath was the curator. Okay. But if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye. Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Joy. Welcome back all my joyfuls. Welcome to my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. And I'm here to review the November icon box from Ipsy, which was curated by none other than the Grand Madame herself, Pat McGrath. So let's get into the icon box. So the icon box replaces your BoxyCharm subscription that you have if you subscribe to it quarterly. And so November was the time for us to get it again. And the curator, like I said, was none other than Miss Pat McGrath. So I didn't care what she picked for this box. I was going to accept it wholeheartedly. And so you get 8 full-size products based on the results of your beauty quiz. So you can get a variety of skincare, makeup, what have you. And out of the 8 products, you get to pick 3. So let's get into what I got. Okay, so the first item that I picked was this cute little clutch. This little gold clutch is cute. I was like, I can use this, for different events. If I'm traveling, I can put some little makeup in here. But this was too cute and a no-brainer for me to pick. And the next item that I'm gonna just go through everything that I picked. The next item that I picked was the YSL Lip Trio in the shades OG and Lovable. Those are the colors, and I'll swatch them for you guys. So this is Lovable. That's Lovable. It's like a mauve color. A dusty rose mauve color. And then Lovable is like Sable is like a clear gloss type lip oil. Anyway, I'm gonna support YSL because it's black owned, and it's not in this box, but I love that cream bronzing and contour stick. My shade is Courage, and it is sold out everywhere. It just came back, and I got it from QVC for $14. Yes! And then Ipsy had it for $4. So I ordered some more. So I'm gonna have about 20 contour sticks. But anyway, YSL, I love that brand. Okay, let's get into the other items. Okay, the last item that I picked was this quick flick for perfect wings. It's a eyeliner and a wing kit. So I'll pick that. All right, so let's get into the things that Miss McGrath picked from her curated collection that we got. So the first thing that I got, of course, is one of her mascaras. And it is the Pat McGrath Labs Dark Star mascara in the shade Extreme Black. Again, I have worn this before. I had it on when I went to Sephora and got my makeup done for an event. This was the mascara that they used. The bomb. So that was a no-brainer. And then the next item that we got is from Pat McGrath Labs as well. And it is the Divine Rose Luxe Quad in the store Eternal Eden. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. And I'm going to show you what the quad looks like. Again, beautiful packaging. I ain't even took the plastic off of it yet. I hadn't opened it. I was like, I got to do my video. So this is the quad. These are the shades. The shades are Pink Mystique, Temptation, Earthly Delight, and Forbidden Fruit. So you have 2 shimmers and 2 shadows. So the shimmers are the Pink Delight and the Forbidden Fruit, and then the shadows are the Earthly Delight and the Temptation. So this is the which one is this? This is the Pink Mystique. This is Temptation. But it's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. This is Earthly Delight. And then this is the Forbidden Fruit. Oh, that's gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Goes good with that YSL lip gloss. So yeah, I'm gonna have fun with this quad and the items in this box. So those are some of the things that we got from Miss Pat McGrath. The next item that I got was this Quick Brow. It's a brow sculpting laminated gel. Who doesn't need a good brow pomade? So yeah. The next item I got is some skincare. It's the Aloe. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. Aloe Glow System. It's a superfruit moisturizing body lotion. It has arnica coconut oil, and it nourishes and hydrates and illuminates your skin. And this is it. It smells divine. And yeah, I've used it and I like it. Definitely hydrates your skin, and it, like I said, it smells good. When I had it on, people were asking me like, "Oh, what's that lotion you got on?" So yeah. The next item is from Serum Kind. It is their Muscat clearing drop serum. This is made from muscat grapes. It has all kind of super fruits in here, so it helps nourish your skin, hydrate your skin. It helps with texture, hyperpigmentation, whatever you need. This superfruit serum right here got it. So I'm really, really excited to try this out. Because you know, us ladies with mature skin, you know, that collagen production that slowed down, these smile lines and these wrinkles trying to show up. So yeah, we got to combat this every way we can. So I'm really excited to try this out. I heard a lot of great things about this skincare product, this serum. So I'm really excited to try it out. And then the last item that I got that they picked for me is from Avant Skincare. And it is their proactive mandelic acid restoring and anti-pollution toner. So this toner helps your skin barrier fight off like pollution, pollutants in the air. It helps to purify your skin, you know, help balance that pH and get that balance out. So, you know, you'll use this toner, and then after your toner, go in with your vitamin C. If you have some vitamin C in your skincare routine, put it on immediately after your toner, because vitamin C does not like to play nice with other ingredients and different serums and things. So you want to put your vitamin C on first. Let that absorb in your skin and do its thing. Then you can go with the rest of your skincare routine. So the dermatologist say that, and when I tried it out, it definitely helped. I noticed a difference in my and the firmness of my skin, the texture of my skin, the brightness of my skin. When I applied my makeup, it was much more, it wasn't cakey, it wasn't peeling or anything like that. It lasts a lot longer. So yeah, I started putting my vitamin C on first and then going through the rest of my routine with the rest of my serums and my moisturizer and all of my spot treatments and all that stuff like that. So yeah, I'm excited to try this toner out. And yeah, so that's everything that I got in my icon box. Again, these were all full-size items. The icon box value is up to $350, and the total of this box right here was more than that. I think it came out to almost $500. Everything that I got in my box. So yeah, the icon box is definitely worth the investment. Again, you get full-size products. Your curator is like we had the incomparable Pat McGrath for this November. I don't know who's gonna be for February. So next time we get the icon box, if you're on that schedule, on that cycle, it'll be February. But the last one I got, Vanessa Hudgens was a curator, and I love the products that she picked too. So I really like the icon box. Again, you get full size products. And so I'm very, very pleased with it. So yeah, sorry this video is so late, but life has been lifing, y'all. I got a lot going on, and but I'm trusting and believing God through it all. I'm gonna make some videos here. I know I've been sounding kind of cryptic here lately about what's been going on with me, but all will be revealed in time. But know that God is a healer and He's a miracle worker. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. Once again, my name is Joy. This is my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. I have a wide variety of content. If you're a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, ooh, hey, sorors, hey. Check out my Delta Box playlist where I give you a raw, real, and uncut review of the Delta Box. Say it with me, y'all. Dear Delta Box, what is you doing? It seems like that's the question I ask every month with them. But check out my Delta Box playlist, sorors, and let me know your opinion. Like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. If you're looking for some inspirational, motivational content, you're a new babe in Christ, or you're a seasoned vet, but you just need a word of encouragement every now and then check out my shorts. Or check out my playlist called Joyful Jubilations, where I'll give you a word of encouragement. I am a licensed evangelist, and I take being a word carrier of the Lord very seriously. And so I just want to encourage those, just like I was encouraged when I was coming up in Christ. And so, yeah, check out my Joyful Jubilations playlist or any of my shorts. I'm always telling it like it is Tuesdays. We have Faith in It Fridays. I have Terrific Thursdays and Motivational Mondays. So yeah, check out my shorts. I also have some different healthcare content coming up. I am a heart attack survivor. I'm on Mounjaro. I've also had prior to being on Mounjaro after having a heart attack, I had the gastric bypass years ago. So I have some content related to that. I have some Mounjaro related content that I need to post. And then with this new thing that I'm dealing with, it's all right. God only gives his battles to his toughest soldiers. And I just enjoy making the devil look like a fool every time he tries to take me out. But it's okay. God got me. And I just want to be an encouragement and a blessing to somebody else. And of course, for all my makeup girlies and all my ladies with mature skin, all of us 40 and 50, and you want to get into makeup, then check out my makeup reviews from BoxyCharm and Ipsy. I need to upload some more of my makeup tutorials and my skincare videos. I need to upload that content too. Like I said, life be life. So I'm going to get my content out here soon. But again, I just want to thank you for taking time out to watch my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. If you follow me, I'll follow you back. I'll subscribe to your channel. You subscribe to mine. I'm a big supporter of everyone that supports me. And again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next month. Bye.